Hi everybody, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. I have not done a video in 2 weeks, so I apologize. I have been really busy, especially with the warm weather coming up here. But I wanted to show you guys the L'Oreal Dream Lengths collection. I do have an exclusive look at it, so I have tried it. I just tried it last night and my hair is so smooth, so soft, and my ends are not crispy. Like, they're really smooth and it feels like I got a haircut. I know that sounds weird. I think it's because of the split end leave-in treatment there. It kind of binds everything together. So yes, I definitely am going to be recommending all of these products because I love them. I love the smell of this product. And anyways, let's just dive into it. So there's a shampoo and there's a conditioner. And as I said, the collection is called Dream Lengths. So for anyone that has long hair, like myself, if it's past the shoulder length, okay, even if it's just a little bit like mine, just a little bit past the shoulder length, then this is great to use, especially if you want to grow your hair long. I'm trying to grow my hair really long. I'm 5 months pregnant now, so it's not really growing as long as I want it to. It's kind of had a little bit of a stall, but I'm hoping that these products really help with getting in that hydration and helping my hair grow longer. The shampoo and the conditioner are really great. They smell great. There's two main ingredients in all of these products, which is the keratin and the castor oil. So the keratin is going to really help rebuild the inside of the hair shaft. It's going to help strengthen as well as moisturize. And then the castor oil is incredible for moisture and also for hair growth. Other than the shampoo and the conditioner, there is also the hair mask treatment. So this is called the Saviour Mask. And it's kind of the same consistency as the conditioner, just a little bit thicker. So with this one, instead of using the conditioner or after you use the conditioner, totally up to you, you leave this in your hair for about 3 minutes. I wouldn't recommend using this on the roots. It doesn't say that you should. So, I mean, just the lengths from right about here until the ends. And it's really going to help to strengthen the hair as well as nourish it. This is something that I would use weekly. You can probably use this a couple times a week, but really the whole hair care system is really great. I just want to use it once a week. The next thing here is the No Haircut Cream. So it's basically a leave-in treatment. After you've done the shampoo, the conditioner, and or the mask, okay, you're going to leave this in your hair after making sure all the water's out and your hair is damp. You're going to put this in from your lengths and you're going to really focus on the ends. This is great for anyone that has split ends. And like I said, I did notice a big difference. It felt like I got my hair cut. Like, it didn't feel like scraggly ends anymore. It just felt really smooth and straight. Not only is this really good for split ends, but it's also great for anyone that uses hair straighteners or curling irons. Any type of heat protection that you need will be in here. So that is basically a short summary of the Dream Lengths collection. Anyone that hasn't tried the Dream Lengths collection, I would suggest trying it. It should be on the market soon. And like I said, it just really did wonders for my hair. I use a lot of good products, but to get that really nice feeling on my ends, I mean, it's far in between. So this is definitely a great collection. I want to thank Top Box Circle for letting me try these all out, as well as L'Oreal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be making more videos, so stay tuned.